What is Forex trading? Hook. Every single day, over $7 trillion moves through one market. Not the stock market, the Forex market. And most beginners have no idea how it actually works. By the end of this video, you will. What Forex actually is. Forex stands for foreign exchange. It's simply the buying and selling of currencies against each other. When you travel abroad and exchange your dollars for euros, you're already participating in Forex, just on a tiny scale. Traders do the same thing, but they're trying to profit from the price changes between currencies. Currency pairs explained. In Forex, you never trade one currency alone, you always trade a pair. For example, EUR/USD. The first currency is called the base currency. The second is the quote currency. If EUR/USD is trading at 1.10, that means 1 euro equals 1.10 US dollars. When you buy EUR/USD, you're betting the euro will strengthen against the dollar. When you sell, you're betting the opposite. Why Forex is different from stocks. Unlike the stock market, Forex trades 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, because it moves across global sessions, Tokyo, London, and New York. There's no single exchange. It's a decentralized network of banks, brokers, and traders worldwide. This also means Forex has massive liquidity, meaning you can usually enter and exit trades instantly, without huge price gaps. How traders actually make money. Traders aim to profit from price movement. If you believe a currency will rise, you buy. This is called going long. If you believe it will fall, you sell. This is called going short. The difference between your entry price and exit price multiplied by your position size is your profit or loss. It sounds simple, but timing and risk management are where most beginners struggle, and that's a topic for a future video. The risk side, be honest here, I want to be upfront. Forex is not a shortcut to quick money. Leverage can amplify both gains and losses, and most new traders lose money before they learn proper risk management. If you're serious about this, treat it as a skill you build over months, not a get-rich-quick scheme. Outro, CTA. So that's Forex trading in a nutshell, a global market where you trade currency pairs 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. In the next video, I'll break down what a pip is and why it matters for every trade you place. Subscribe so you don't miss it, and drop a comment if you have questions.